Hello and welcome back to my channel, Plants in Tropical Spaces. My name is Joan. I'm a plant and gardening content writer living in Lagos, Nigeria. And this is a Noni fruit. I got this Noni fruit from my friend's orchard. I tasted the Noni juice 2 months ago. Yes, it does taste nasty, but then it has a lot of health benefits, and that's why I'd like to share with you how to make the Noni juice, at least how I make my Noni juice. So the health benefits include antibacterial, anti-tumor, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory. And I began to feel the anti-inflammatory properties of this fruit. So I'm so excited to share with you how I make my Noni juice quite easily. People ferment the juice or ferment the fruit to get the juice, but I don't go through that. I just use a simple method, and that's what I'd like to share with you today. So stay tuned. So to make noni fruit juice, all you need is ripe noni. It has to be really ripe, and the color changes from the unripe version, which is green, to this almost translucent color, a light brown, almost translucent color, and then it's softer, and then you actually get the whiff of the cheese, the stinking cheese smell. So I just cut up the fruit into pieces. It's quite soft. The unripe noni is harder, so a soft noni. Try not to think too much about what it looks like when you're making this. Just think about the health benefits of this fruit. So the tree isn't a very tall tree, noni tree. When the fruit is ripe, it often just falls to the ground, or you could harvest the fruits before they ripen. The first time I made the noni juice, I blended it and then strained it. But then I decided to try out this method where I wouldn't need to blend it just for the fun of it. So, like I said, people ferment it. They put it in glass jars like this and then they leave it to ferment. But I didn't want to try out the fermentation because I just wasn't sure what I was going to get. I haven't taken this before, so I wasn't sure um, of not getting some extra actors in my fermentation process. I just needed to be careful. So that's why I'm doing this. And so I would put this in the fridge, just pour some water. And then cover it. And then I'll just let this sit in the fridge for about a week before I start to decant it. Now, this is a noni juice that has been in the fridge for about a month. I started decanting it and drinking from it after being in the fridge for about a week. So the pulp of the fruit has broken down and given me the juice. So I'm going to just decant a bit now. I'll top up the other jar so I can put it back in the fridge and have a continuous supply of noni juice. So I could press this down with a spoon. So here we are, my fresh noni juice. Yeah, it has that cheesy taste, and it's bitter and peppery at the same time. It's not that unpleasant, really. I think it's something that one gets used to, and especially if you're enjoying the health benefits. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll consider trying the noni juice sometime. And if you did enjoy the video, please remember to like and share it with others, and also comment, have you taken noni juice before? How do you prepare your noni juice? And so until the next video, bye.